Hey YouTube, so this is Mama J coming back at you real quick to show you a quick tutorial real quick on how I am doing my crochets. So I'm going to kind of put it this way. Let me show you guys what I've got done so far. And then I'm going to come back with a part 2 to show you the whole head when I'm done. It is a lot that I've got done so far. I have a mannequin that I'm holding up. I have the braided cap with the pins in it. And I have less than half to do. And when I'm done, I'm going to come back at you guys, show you guys exactly what I've done. Y'all see that? Purple is my color. So I'm going to go ahead and use this purple. And this is a crochet needle. You can get that at any hair store. They normally run between $2, all depending on where you go to. And this is the hair. I'm going to represent them really quick in my video. This is Havana Jumbo Twist. Havana. Really great hair. Love it. It only cost me $5 at my hair store. So let me give you a look. Let me show you what it looks like. This is the Havana twist. See that, y'all? And it's really easy. Just hook it in between there. So I'm going to do a couple with you guys really quick. And then I'm going to get off of here and so I can finish and do you the part 2. So you want to bring it through like so. And then you want to make sure you put the hair right there in the little hook and latch it. Like so. I use my nails because it helps me to better get what I need. And so I feel it helps me to give that little right there. So you don't have to bring it all the way in. Take that out like so. Bring this up, this end. Let me show y'all again. This end right here, you want to bring it up. And you want to connect inside. If you got nails, that's going to help you bring that out. So let me get in here closer so you guys can see. So you want to open that little piece up right there. You want to open it up. You want to put it right there between your hands. I'm sorry. Trying to make sure I got it right. I don't want to show you something bad. You like, she don't know what she's talking about. But I do, because I've done almost the whole head so far. Okay, so I got it hooked again. I bring mine in like this through the loop. And you want to catch that right there. See how I caught that? So I want to catch that right there. Bring it up. And squeeze down tight. And you have your twist in place. So you want to make sure it's good and tight there. But also, we're also looking at the fact that we don't want to have too many pieces really super close together. So you want to make sure it, I mean, you can do a heavy head, but I don't want all that heaviness on my head. So what I did was I'm doing every other, so I'm gapping in between. It's a gap, go over, gap, go over, gap. You know, I'm doing it like that. That way I can have mines together. And then once I do that, let me see, where's my scissors at? But anyway, can't find my scissors right now because I misplaced them. But I'll go in, I'll just cut the screens off and, you know, make sure that looks good. Afterwards, I'm going to go in and take some hair mousse and go in between it, dip it in a little water, and show y'all the aftermath, honey, because this is about to be the bomb, and it's about to go down. So watch out. I'm coming back, y'all. And I may even have it on my head. Like so. Alright, guys. Y'all have a good one. I know I'm about to, because I'm about to finish my hair. Alright. One love, y'all. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.